Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Mariya Javed and I am a crafteneur. Basically आप सोच रहे होंगे crafteneur क्या होता है, तो मैं क्राफ्ट बनाती हूँ, हैंडमेड कार्ड, कस्टमाइज्ड गिफ्ट्स एक्सेट्रा और उन्हें ही सेल करती हूँ. I am running a small business on WhatsApp and Instagram. The name is the Card and Craft Studio. I never knew that card making skill has such a good scope and a good amount of money too. आप कई लोगों ने मुझसे ट्यूटोरियल्स के लिए बोला हुआ है, तो इस चैनल में I'll make tutorials regarding DIY cards, handmade cards, customized gifts, personalized gifts, cheap home decor idea, and few guides regarding what to give to your loved ones, gifts under budget, etc. So let's start this new journey. We'll learn, we'll make, we'll craft, we'll do everything. Subscribe and hit that bell icon so that you can receive all the notification of cards I'll be uploading, and also comment a heart if you are already the Card and Craft Studios family. So I'll be waiting for you in comment section, and also if you are having any video suggestion, don't forget to mention it in your comments. I'll try to cover it out in our next few videos. So till then, love, don't forget to share, like, subscribe. Thank you.